Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to everyone. Today I want to present my plant journal. First of all, my name is Abidin bin Rahim with metric number A20BE0004. My lecturer name is Dr. Sapura binti Muhammad. For subject Horticulture SBEZ 1893. For introduction, my plant journal is a record of plants that have been planted for 10 weeks, which is from 25th of November 2020 until 25th of January 2021. There are 3 types of plants recorded in this plant journal. All the things happened to the plant were recorded in this plant journal. Plants that have been chosen in my plant journal. There are 3 plants. First is hibiscus. Hibiscus scientific name is Rosa sinensis. It is one of flower plant. The plant color is red. Mostly the plant can be found around the world that have tropical nature. The plant can grow less than 2 meters. I choose stem cutting method to plant this plant. Second is sunflower. Its scientific name is Helianthus. It is one of ornamental plant. It is edible plant. The color of the plant is yellow. The plant can be found in North America and South America. The plant can grow up to 4 meters. I choose seedling methods to plant this plant. Last is mulberry. Its scientific name is Maurus. It is one of fruit tree. The color of the plant is green. The color of the berries is red, black, and purple. It can be found in Asia. It can grow 3 to 4 meters. I choose stem cutting method to plant this plant. For week 1, 2, and 3, I started planted hibiscus tree using stem cutting method. I cut the green stem that's still new and soft, then simply put it in polybag that were filled with mixture of planting soil. I watered it every day and put some fertilizer on it, but the fertilizer seems to make it much more dry. Then, in week 3, the leaf started to fall and the plant died. For week 4 and 5, after failed planted using stem cutting technique, I decided to try seedling technique. I bought 2 types of sunflower seeds from nursery. I made some research online and tried to plant it on wet wool and tissue before move it to soil. I put the seeds of sunflower in a Tupperware with full of wet tissue and wool and watered it day and night using spray. Sadly, the flower did not grow after I watered it for almost 2 weeks, which is 11 days. For week 6 and 7, after failed at my first attempt, I decided to try stem cutting again. I cut soft and smaller part of the hibiscus tree that just newly grew compared to my first attempt. At the first week, the plant seems dry and want to die. Some of the leaves were eaten by bugs. At the second week, I bought the root producer hormone and put it at the bottom part of my plant. The plant grew much better and new leaf grow from my hibiscus plant. For week 8, 9, and 6, after I failed planted the hibiscus tree at my first attempt, I decided to plant mulberry plant without had to wait the result of my second hibiscus tree. Same as my hibiscus tree, I'm using stem cutting method to plant mulberry tree. I cut soft and smaller part of the mulberry tree that just newly grew and planted it. After the first week, the plant seems dried and want to die. All the leaves fell, but at the second and third week, new leaves started to grow. Totally, I had succeeded plant 2 plants, which are hibiscus and mulberry tree. Challenges in finishing my plant journal. First is bugs attack. My plant almost died because of the bug. Bug ate my plant leaf. Second is plant died. My first attempt was failed. My plant dried and died. Third is seedling went wrong. I tried seedling technique, but it doesn't want to grow after I waited for 2 weeks. For conclusion, first, stem cutting is easier than seedling method. Plant already alive, and just to have make sure the root of the plant is growing, while seedling need much more care to make sure the plant alive. Second is never give up. Plant may seem want to die at first, but with good care, plant can grow healthily. Third is some insects might kill plant. Too much bugs it live on plant may harm the plant. That's all. Thank you.